We are going to see about input and output, how they are using or they are used. We have three concepts. One is input and another one is output. These are the two main strategies to communicate between these components rather other than the services. So we are using annotated before this input and output to mention this. These are special features which should be included during the compilation and execution of the Angular project. The input is mainly used for communicating a message to the child component, and output is for communicating backwards to the parent component. For the output, we need a special character event emitter which will be used to communicate this output to the parent component, because it is vice versa personal, so that it needs an extra parameter, that is event emitter. As I told, the input is for communicating from the parent component to the child component. So we can just mark at input and message or whatever thing we are need to go git give, it will be published to the child component. Simple example: in the parent we have a customer object, and for the customer collection we have a customer object that will be processed to its child component. Okay, so in the child component we have app customer detail. We are putting this as a attribute directive. Customer is equal to selected customer. This selected customer will be coming from the input and be pushed here. That's how it works. Output is same as the above. It just passes the a message from the parent child component to the parent component, but it's not that easy as it is a reverse process. So we use event emitters to emit these outputs to the parent. So we have an output here. So in that output we are giving a customer change, and this customer change is event emitted, and this event emitted is raised in the parent as an update method. Through this they start customer change, and that emit of this customer will be emitted to this parent component. Here you can see in the last line update $event. That's how it occurs. Please thanks team, thanks for the support.